Meaning of hostelry.
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 Hostelry. Hostelry refers to an establishment where travelers can find lodging and accommodation, particularly in the context of older times. It usually includes a pub or inn that offers food, drinks, and sometimes entertainment as well. The term has strong associations with the past and conjures up images of quaint, cozy lodgings in small towns or villages. While hostelry may not be as common nowadays, it remains an important part of cultural heritage, with many historic buildings and landmarks being preserved for their value as rare examples of traditional lodging establishments.